Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a video on an all-out battle, actually a Nerf battle between me and my sister. So I have my handy dandy Speed Swarm, and she has the Stampede. So, sort of scary. They're both fully auto, and I need one auto because I can't reload with just one hand. And plus I'm holding the camera in the other hand. She's going to be over there, that's her battle station. I was already scared. And this is going to be mine. I have a little cozy area. And I can go in here. I can shoot out of here. And she's already aiming at me. But, okay, so. The rules are. Oops, I just shot a dart. The rules are. Sorry, getting a star. Okay, so the rules are. 3 shots, you're out. No headshots. After a headshot, you're disqualified. So, and after 3 shots, if you're out of ammo, you gotta. If you're out of ammo, you say switch up, and we switch spots, like switch areas where we are. I go to that side, she comes to this side. And then we collect our ammo for about like a minute or 30 seconds, as quick as we can. And then we continue. After 3 shot hit, we're done. So let's begin.
This one's it.
What? Do you turn it on? Okay, just wait a second.
Yeah.
Now it's on. Okay, her gun's on now. I am backing away and begin. And she just shot a dart at me. So kind, right? Woo! She hit my gun! Wow, this thing is handy. Man! I'm so scared right now. Ah! Okay. I'm using the camera to see where she is right now at the moment. Okay, wait. Let me see if her darts work for my gun.
I don't think they do.
Oh yeah, and they can't. And the person can't pass halfway line. Okay. Right now we're like. Ah! She's right there. Oh, that was a really weird sound. Oh! I'm out. I didn't get hit. I'm just saying I'm scared.
I'm out.
Okay, you have to wait. I'm not out. It shoots her darts. Headshot. Wait, that means. Okay, I lost 1 point, so you basically earned 1 point just now. Oh my god. Okay, switch. Alright, we're switching up now. Alright, so. 1 dart. She's right next to me. 2 dart. 3 dart. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. We're all done. Okay, now let's load it up. So far she got 1 point because I hit her a headshot. I got a headshot on her.
And you lost, is it?
So I am apparently 0 right now, and she is 1. Even though she didn't hit me. It's not fair. Look, you know, I'm gonna go all out this time. I'm just gonna be like, yeah.
I have more bullets in there.
I don't care if you have more bullets than me. Okay. Last 2 darts, and then we can. Are you didn't finish loading up?
Not yet.
Okay, begin. Later, the battery on this thing is about to die, and I can't tolerate you. Okay, let's begin. Okay, whatever. Here's 1 of your darts.
Okay.
And there's 1 dart over here. But you're not looking closely. There's darts near. There's.
You're going the wrong way.
Okay, I found 1 of my darts. Let it come on.
I put them the wrong way.
Okay, too bad. Come
Wait
on.
one
buddy.
sec.
Oh my god. Sorry guys. Sorry I have to wait for this. Alright, this time, no bullet pickups. No switching. You have to run to get your own darts. So this is going to be much harder. So round 1, she got 1 point on me, and I got 0.
You're probably gonna get all 3 soon.
Hopefully. Why am I just walking in circles? Come on, I'm gonna like shoot her right in the head.
Just wait. Ow! Okay.
I don't lie, Lolita. Oh, there goes my dart.
I never count.
Okay, just so you know, she's using these darts over here, the pink ones that look like this. And I am using dart tag darts. So let's begin. 3, 2, 1, round begin. So scared right now. Okay. She just ran into that room right there. And she's hiding from me. Let's go closer. She doesn't know I'm here. Where? Come on, Lolita. I just wasted like 7 darts. Man, I'm out already. Well, I'm not even shooting. I'm just like, okay. Switch. Wait a second.
No switches.
Timeout. Wait. You have to wait. Okay. Okay. Time in.
I know.
No, no more switches. Remember?
What happened when you said timeout?
Alright, you get 1 timeout. Timeout. Are you gonna say timeout right now?
Yeah.
Okay, you only get 5 seconds though, because I only use 5 seconds.
Wait, let me finish.
5.
Wait.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. This year must be like super bored right now. So sorry. Normally when we do this without a camera in my hand, it's so much funner because we don't run out of ammo and we use all those guns over there.
Thank you.
You know, I'm gonna use your timeout. I don't know why I'm sitting there waiting for hers to finish. 3, 2, 1. Get back to your gun. Okay, so let's slow this thing up. Man, she's now she's like threatening me. Okay, begin. Let's do this. She doesn't know I'm here.
Ready?
Me too. There's no line. Remember round 2?
You said halfway.
Sorry, there's no more line. Oh, come on. Alright, guys, if I lose this, I'm going to be like so embarrassed. Yes! 1 shot. Oh, man, we're both out. Yes! I won!
No, you only shot me twice.
I shot you 3 times. Okay. Okay, so this is over.
You never told me.
I'm sorry.
Halfway.
I'm sorry if we bored you out. My sister's like so mad at me right now. for
I'm
winning.
gonna kill you.
Okay. I bet she's gonna like do a revenge battle after this. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys thought this was boring, please tell me. Me and my sister will try to arrange something or invite more people over. We have like we have a big backyard, as you can see. It is snowy, but in a week or so it'll be hot enough to go outside, or maybe even colder. I'm not sure, but you guys tell us, and we will invite some people over. We will have like this humongous, a team tag battle, so that'll be fun. Please rate, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions or you want me to do any reviews on any Nerf guns, I do have a lot that I haven't done any reviews on. I will try to do them. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.